I just randomly wanted to buy a lipstick from Walgreens. So I got this Revlon, it's called Pearl, just because I wanted some pop. I don't wear a lot of makeup. So, right now I just have on my super goop, I think it's called super goop bronzer and the lipstick mascara eyeliner. I'm just like, oh, let me get a lip that pops. So purchase this. I don't know. What do you guys think of it? I'm trying to glam it up a little bit, but again, buying lipstick that I don't need. But sorry, I just jumped right in, rambling. So I put the lipstick on this over here. Hey, Estelle, if you can see. Estelle has joined us today, but she has not in a minute, but it's good to see her, get some support. So, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something that I've talked about, I've hinted about a little bit in some of my previous videos with my project panning, where I decided that I was no longer going to be buying skincare. Sorry, just bought some lipstick, makeup, lotions, I call them potions, all those things until they were fully used up. So I have been doing a project pan where I've been finishing my body washes, all those things that I've bought in multiples. But I wanted to be able to expand on that. And I wanted to be able to expand more on that now that my wedding is over. I would have to say that I think typical fashion, can't speak for all, but for me, I was purchasing a lot of different items for my wedding. And so buying a lot of different things, probably spent more than I know I spent more, not probably. I know I spent more than I planned to prepare for this wedding. I know both me and my husband now spent more than we planned. So now I think now that everything is done, I I think personally I need to take a step back and I need to go beyond the project panning. I need to really do a real no buy and not a low buy, but a no buy. I know in the past I said that I could probably never do a no buy, but I think I'm at the point that I need to. I need to go cold turkey, like some addicts need to. I think sometimes when you have an addiction, and I do believe that shopping for me is an addiction. It's a hobby, and I don't believe I thought it to be a hobby. I find that I do it out of boredom, and I need to take a step back, and I need to fill my life with other things, and I need to just do kind of a cold stop on buying. But I think I've jumped a little bit ahead. So let me just go back a little bit. So what I want to do is do a 6-month no buy challenge from July through December. And I'm pressing pause on shopping for clothes, makeup, skincare, shoes, jewelry, even cleaning supplies, which I tend to buy a lot of as well. And I honestly can say, and I think I've said it a little bit before, I've started to become so overwhelmed by how much stuff I have, how much I've been spending, how many products, how many options. And a lot of it is impulsive and I need to press pause. So what I decided to do to make this a little bit different is, so there's got to be some fun parts to it. I actually asked Chat GPT to help me craft my official rules of my no buy challenge. I wanted something realistic, but strict enough to push me out of my comfort zone. And I thought asking Chat to help craft my plan would be a great way to do it. So what I said was I wanted to do a 6-month no buy challenge that included clothes, shoes, skincare, makeup, jewelry, or cleaning supplies. No backups, no just in cases, no stress shopping. The only exception is replacing something essential that runs out, but it has to be a true replacement, not an upgrade or an extra. So if something rips, something breaks, something gets stained, and I truly need to replace it, I will replace it. I also wanted there to be some allowances there. So July to December, there is the Christmas holiday. There are birthdays in between that. So this does allow me to buy gifts. If there's someone's birthday, I have a couple weddings to buy wedding gifts. My husband's birthday is in December, getting his gift. the Christmas holidays for my friends and families. We don't do a lot of gift giving, but I wanted to leave it open for the ability to do some gift giving as well. Like I said, I do have some upcoming events. I have 3 weddings in the fall, but I have said no, I have enough dresses in that closet that I don't believe that I need to buy any new wedding dresses. And I thought it may be a good idea. I have some very fashionable friends who do a lot of events, go to a lot of galas, go to a lot of, weddings and stuff like that. And we're similar sizes. I know I'm on the shorter side, but we are similar sizes that I may be able to borrow some things from as well. So I feel very comfortable that with some of the upcoming events, I will have that covered. For the wedding, we got a lot of gift cards. So I will allow myself to use the gift cards that I already have. So no new gift cards, health related essentials, prescription vitamins, of course, that's included. Also, if I received any credits, I have a high credit amount on ThreadUp. I had sold some items on ThreadUp not too long ago, and I just realized that I've got some credit amounts there. So being able to use credits or gift cards, but nothing where I am actually spending any of my own money. I hope that makes sense. And I hope you don't consider that to be cheating on the no buy, but I just don't want these gift cards and credits just to go unused, because I know with ThreadUp, some of the credits don't last forever. And some of these wedding gift cards, I will actually not be using to buy myself things, but there are some things that we need for the house that I can use some of those gift cards for. But that will be it. And I just want to say, and what I want to make sure that I communicate is that this isn't about punishment. It's about mindfulness. It's about gratitude. It's about breaking through that consistent cycle of what do I need to buy? I do that a lot. I'm always scrolling. I'm always thinking about what do I need to buy, even though I am blessed enough to know that there isn't anything else that I need. And I know how fortunate it is to even say that. I can say it over and over again. I am extremely blessed that I don't need anything new. So I am so excited to reset my spending habits and see what I learn along the way. I look at my closet right now and I say, gosh, I have everything I need there. But I wonder as I go through this process, if I will see if there's any gaps or anything that I may need to add to my wardrobe and not necessarily want to add to my wardrobe. So my goal is to simply to use what I already own, stop chasing new purchases. I also want to save more for mindful things like upcoming events. We have some vacations. Like I said, one of the weddings is a destination, and experiences that I truly, truly enjoy. I really want to bring more hobbies back into my life and not the hobby of scrolling on TikTok, scrolling the internet for more clothes. I actually want to do more hobbies and do more things and enjoy more time out and about with my husband. So my plan is to share monthly updates on the challenge, what's been easy, what's been hard, how it is changing my habits. I want to be able to bring that to you at least in this format on YouTube. I also plan on writing some articles about it on my Substack, which is called Midlife Diaries, and also giving some quick updates on TikTok as well. So those are some other places that you'll be able to find me and be able to see this content and where I am on this challenge. If you have ever felt like your shopping habits are on autopilot, that you are spending too much, buying too much, maybe this challenge will inspire you. Drop me a comment if you've tried a no-buy or if you're tempted to join me. It would be nice to know that I am not doing the 6-month no-buy by myself. And again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can also follow me on TikTok or Substack for updates. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And thank you for joining me today, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.